Question number 7, first part. If the volume of a cylinder of height 7 cm is 448 pi centimeter cube, find the lateral surface area and total surface area. Solution, first part. Height of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is 448 pi centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is equal to 448 pi centimeter cube, which implies r is r square is equal to 448 pi upon pi into h, and h is 7. Pi is cancelled, which implies r square is equal to 448 upon h is 7. Then 7 6 are 42, 28, 7 4s are 28, which implies r square is equal to 64 and r is equal to under root of 64. Radius equal to 8 centimeter and lateral surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h, which implies 2 into pi into radius is 8 into height is 7 centimeter, which implies 8 2s are 16 and 16 7s are 112 pi centimeter square. Answer. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, which implies 2 into pi into radius is 8 into 8 plus 7, which implies 2 pi 8 into 15. 15 8s are 120. 122s are 240 pi centimeter square. Answer. And solution of second part. A wooden pole is 7 meter high and 20 centimeter in diameter. Find its weight of wood. Weight 225 kg per meter cube. Given height is equal to 7 meter and diameter that is equal to 20 centimeter. Radius is equal to 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter. Radius is equal to 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1 meter. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which implies pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 0.1 into 0.1 and height is 7, that is equal to 22 upon 7, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10 into 7. This is cancel, and 22 upon 100 meter cube. Which implies 0.22 meter cube. Find its weight if the wood weighs 220 kg per meter cube. Required weights 225 kg per meter cube is equal to 0.22 into 225, which implies 22 upon 100 into 225. 11 2s are and 50. 10 5s are 50 and 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 45 into 11. 11 5s are 55. 5 carry, 11 4s are 44 plus 5, that is 49. Required weight is equal to 495 upon 10 kg is equal to 49.5 kg. Answer. Given height of cylinder is 7 centimeter and its volume is equal to 448 pi centimeter cube. We know that volume of cylinder is pi r square h equal to 448 pi, and r square is equal to 448 pi upon pi into h. Height is 7, so pi is cancelled, and 448 divided by 7 we get 64. R square equal to 64, then r is equal to root 64, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. 2 into pi into r is 8 and height is 7. Then product of 8 into 7. 56 and 56 2s are 112 pi centimeter square. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r is 8, in bracket 8 plus height is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15, and 15 8s are 120. 120 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 240 pi centimeter square. answer. And solution of second part, given height is equal to 7 meter and diameter is 20 centimeter, so its radius is half of diameter, that is 10 centimeter, and radius is equal to 10 upon 100 meter, that is 0.1 meter. And volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 0.1 into 0.1 into height is 7. 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10 into 7. 7 is cancelled, and 22 divided by 100, that is 0.22 meter cube. And required weight is equal to 225 kg per meter cube, that is 0.22 multiplied by 225, we get 45 into 11, that is 495 divided by 10, so we get 49.5 kg answer. Thank you.